Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I share tips and tricks for a healthy lifestyle. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 10 natural ways to lower your cholesterol levels. Cholesterol is a type of fat that circulates in your blood and can affect your heart health. There are two kinds of cholesterol: LDL, which is the bad kind that can clog your arteries, and HDL, which is the good kind that helps remove excess cholesterol from your body. You want to have low levels of LDL and high levels of HDL to prevent the risk of heart disease and stroke. So how can you achieve that? Here are 10 natural ways to lower your cholesterol levels. Number 1. Eat monounsaturated fats. These are healthy fats that can help lower your LDL and increase your HDL. Some examples of foods that contain monounsaturated fats are olive oil, nuts, avocados, and olives. Number 2. Use polyunsaturated fats, especially omega-3s. These are another type of healthy fats that can reduce your LDL and triglycerides, which are another form of fat in your blood. Omega-3s are also good for your brain and mood. You can find them in fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and herring, as well as in fish oil supplements. Number 3. Limit trans fats. These are unhealthy fats that can raise your LDL and lower your HDL. They are often found in processed foods such as margarine, pastries, fried foods, and pizza. Avoid them as much as possible and check the labels for trans fat content. Number 4. Eat soluble fiber. This is a type of fiber that can bind to cholesterol in your digestive system and prevent it from entering your bloodstream. Soluble fiber can also help you feel full and control your blood sugar levels. Some good sources of soluble fiber are oats, beans, lentils, apples, pears, and psyllium husk. Number 5. Exercise. Physical activity can help you burn calories, lose weight, and improve your blood circulation. It can also boost your HDL and lower your LDL and triglycerides. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Number 6. Keep a healthy weight. Being overweight or obese can increase your cholesterol levels and your risk of heart disease. Losing even a few pounds can make a difference. To achieve a healthy weight, you need to balance your calorie intake and expenditure. Eat a balanced diet that is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and low-fat dairy. Avoid excess sugar, salt, and alcohol. Drink plenty of water and stay hydrated. Number 7. Avoid smoking. Smoking can damage your blood vessels and lower your HDL. It can also increase your blood pressure and your risk of heart attack and stroke. If you smoke, quit as soon as possible. There are many resources and support groups that can help you quit smoking. You can also talk to your doctor about nicotine replacement therapy or medication. Number 8. Drink in moderation. Alcohol can have both positive and negative effects on your cholesterol levels. Moderate drinking, which is defined as 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men, can raise your HDL and lower your LDL. However, excessive drinking can increase your triglycerides and your blood pressure. It can also damage your liver and your heart. Therefore, limit your alcohol intake and choose drinks that are low in calories and sugar, such as wine, light beer, or spirits with water or soda. Number 9. Consider plant sterols. These are natural compounds that are similar to cholesterol and can block its absorption in your intestines. They can lower your LDL by up to 10%. You can find them in some fortified foods, such as margarines, yogurts, juices, and cereals. You can also take them as supplements, but consult your doctor before doing so. Number 10. Try supplements. There are some supplements that may help lower your cholesterol levels, such as niacin, garlic, red yeast rice, ginger, and flaxseed. However, these supplements may have side effects or interact with other medications. Therefore, do not take them without consulting your doctor first. Also, remember that supplements are not a substitute for a healthy diet and lifestyle. So these are 10 natural ways to lower your cholesterol levels. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what you think, or if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.